Hi, this is Jarrell, and we're in the hole again, and I want to continue with step 4. By this time, if you have gone through the first 3 steps, you have come to the conclusion that who you were is what you need to give up. And step 2 is finding someone you can give that up to who will actually teach you how to think, somebody who can model behavior for you to emulate till you can get into the practice and into the habit of making good decisions. Step 3, you've made some assessments about how bad the situation is. You recognize character flaws. You've got models. You've let your mentor examine you. You've examined yourself according to Scripture, and you have a good list of things that you need to work on. So step 4 is about goal setting. Now, it's time to make sure that you have a clear direction. The Scripture says like this, where there is no vision, the people perish. I like the Hebrew translation better because the Hebrew word that we translate in perish is actually something that means more cast off restraint. Well, that makes sense because when people don't have real goal or real vision, particularly vision from God through Jesus Christ, they just do what they want to do. If I don't have a clear word from God about what it is that I should be doing, what direction I should be going in, well, I'll do whatever. And that thing can act as a guide to keep a person on the right path. In fact, even if you defer from that path at some point, you can come back to it if you know where the original path was. So, and some people might call it finding a calling. I don't really like that. I like the idea that you were invented for a specific purpose. You were invented by God for a specific purpose. And that thing is what you are supposed to ultimately manifest all of your life fruit to glorify Him through. So that's your step 4. Have a great day.